Hi, I'm Daniel Dixon, freeaccountingschool.com, and today we're going to talk about the 3 secrets to learning accounting quickly. And one of these secrets will actually teach you how to become a genius at computers really quickly and extremely affordably. So make sure you watch the whole video. And in the next lesson, after this, we're going to start getting into the technical side of accounting by introducing double entry accounting. So that lesson is going to be another really good one. Okay, so let's get started on today's lesson. Secret number 1 to learning accounting quickly: don't go to college or university to study accounting unless you know you want to be a professional accountant. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not discouraging college or university. I have a business degree from a good college, and I went back to a university to study my upper level accounting courses so I could qualify to take the CPA exam. And I'm really, really glad I did. I'm really, really glad that I went back and took all those courses. And if you already know for a fact that you want to be a professional accountant, then going to a college or university to study accounting is probably exactly what you need to do. We talked about this a little in lesson 1.1. For those of you who still are deciding, so if you don't know for sure you want to be an accountant, you need to spend some time in an accounting office before you decide you're going to spend years of your life and potentially tens of thousands of dollars to get an accounting degree from a college or university. So, I mean, if your goal is just to learn accounting to help your non-accounting career, or because you own a business and you need that accounting foundation to make better business decisions and to grow your business more, in my opinion, there are much faster, cheaper, and better ways to learn the basics of accounting than going through the formal schooling. Which actually leads us to our next secret on learning accounting quickly, which is start by learning online through free videos, okay? In my opinion, the best way to start learning about accounting, or almost any other subject for that matter, is by going to YouTube and checking out all the free video tutorials that have been made by people. Now listen, I'm not just saying this because I make video tutorials myself. I'm saying this because learning via video is so much more effective than learning just through books for the vast majority of subjects. You're just going to learn faster and you're going to retain it better. You people watching this video right now are actually really fortunate. When I was studying accounting in college, there weren't any decent YouTube tutorials I could go to for accounting, and to be honest, most of my teachers in my college were really boring in my opinion, and so it was hard to pay attention. But now you have lots of options, and I'm not the only one who teaches free online accounting tutorials. I might think that, you know, I have one of the best series on accounting on YouTube, or on other video sites out there, but there's some other really solid ones that people have made, and you should go and check out their stuff as well. So my recommendation is that if you really want to learn accounting, start with free online videos. Now, as a little bonus tip, if you want to learn or relearn anything about math or science, you have got to go check out the videos on khanacademy.org. That's KHANACADEMY.org. I mean, the guy who runs that site has made so many amazing videos. I mean, the guy can take you from 1 + 1 = 2 to advanced calculus, advanced physics, or advanced chemistry, all for free by just going through his hundreds and he has actually thousands by now of 10-minute little video segments that he posted to YouTube. I mean, and the guy's really a good teacher. That's what makes it so awesome. So honestly, it is a miracle what the guy has done there, and you should really go check it out. Okay, so what is secret number 3 to learning accounting quickly? Well, if you saw my last video, you'll remember I talked about how the profession of accounting is becoming more and more dominated by computer systems, right? And if you're really good on computers and specifically accounting software, you're going to have a huge advantage in your accounting career, or any other career you choose for that matter, okay? So here's the secret. A couple of years ago, I visited a website that has just made a huge positive difference in my career related to this. And it's called lynda.com. So lynda.com. lynda.com. And by the way, before I go on, I want you to know I'm not affiliated, at this time, I'm not affiliated with lynda.com in any way, so except for the fact that I'm a member of their site. So I don't make any money off of lynda.com if you go and sign up and become a member or anything like that, okay? Now, to be honest, later I might become an affiliate marketer for them and put up some websites for them and try to help sell some of their services because I'm that passionate about it. Trust me, I don't get into businesses that I'm not passionate about because it's just a waste of my time and it's not worth it for me. Okay, so what is lynda.com? Well, lynda.com is a membership site, and at the time I'm filming this video, it costs $25 a month to be a member, but the good part is you aren't locked into any long-term contract, so you can cancel at the end of any given month, okay? But this site is amazing because what they do is they have in-depth video tutorials on almost any software program that you can think of. And they are really, really, really well done, okay? They're not kind of this mishmash, fly-by-night video tutorials you see on YouTube. Although some of the YouTube video tutorials are great, but they're not as comprehensive as lynda.com's videos, okay? So for this 25 bucks a month, you can look at as many of their videos as you want. And you can really become a genius at all these different software programs by going through their video tutorials and then just practicing what you've learned afterwards. And I mean, you can learn any of the Microsoft programs or the Adobe programs or to program in almost any language, any C++ or Java or JavaScript, all these different computer programming languages, including HTML and CSS and everything, if that's something is interesting to you. Also, they have numerous different videos on accounting software programs as well, of course, which is why I'm telling you this in this accounting video. Okay, for example, I recently was on there, and I think that for Microsoft Excel 2010, as of right now, I think they had something like 12 hours of videos just on that one software program. I mean, it's just amazing stuff, just in-depth and really, really well done. And I'll give you one more tip about lynda.com. You can even play their videos at double speed if the video is maybe moving a little bit too slow for you. I do that sometimes when I'm kind of already familiar with the software program or a prior version of the software program. For instance, Excel 2007 I'm pretty familiar with, and in 2010 there were some changes. And so I went through the Microsoft Excel 2010 videos at double speed, and so I could pick up on things really quickly because I'd already had some familiarity with the program before. Okay, so some of the software programs that accountants should know backwards and forwards that you could learn about on lynda.com are Microsoft Excel. I mean, if you're going to be an accountant, you have got to know Microsoft Excel, okay? Hands down, you've got to know it really, really well. Secondly, QuickBooks, which is a software program made by Intuit, which I believe is the most popular accounting software for small businesses in the entire world. For the United States, where I live, it is absolutely the most popular software for accounting software for small businesses. And if you're going to go into accounting, you really should know it. Thirdly, Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is like Microsoft Excel, but on steroids. It's just an amazing database type program. And then if you really want to be cool and you want to get ready to work in bigger companies doing their accounting, you should check out Microsoft SQL Server. That is like Microsoft Excel on crack cocaine. I mean, just crazy amounts of data can go through Microsoft SQL database, and it's a really good software program for you to become familiar with, even if you end up using other large database programs for accounting. Okay, so once you're comfortable with all these programs, or any other programs you want to learn, you can just make your lynda.com subscription inactive so you don't have to pay the $25 a month. So that's another secret I'm giving you. And then when you want to start your subscription back up and relearn videos or learn some new accounting software, you just make your account active again and start paying the $25 a month. So, and you can just do that for a couple months till you're done learning what you need to, and then shut it off again. I mean, it is amazing, and really I highly, highly recommend it. So, Again, I want to re-emphasize learning programs. So learning accounting via video is way better, and learning software programs via video is way better than learning through books the vast majority of the time. So please, please remember that. And that was it for today. Next time, we're going to get started into the technical side of how accounting actually works. So thanks for joining me. If you like my videos and you're watching this on YouTube, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Or if you want to be informed every time I post a new video, you can become a subscriber by clicking on the subscribe button at the top of my YouTube videos. And this just happens to help my YouTube rankings as well, so that'd be great. And also, you can check out more of my free accounting videos at freeaccountingschool.com.